I'm going to show you two ways to draw a circle on the graphics calculator. The problem is that it's a relation, not a function, and we know that we can only type into the graphics calculator functions as to be y equals, and we can see that this one's not. So what can we do? Well, very simply, we could rearrange it into y equals. So that would give us y plus 1 squared equals 25 minus. We're still trying to get y equals, so let's get rid of the squares. And it's going to be a little bit more careful. Think back to when we started doing quadratics and the plus minus on the quadratic equation. So we're going to get to there, the plus minus, and then we're going to get y equals minus 1. So actually we end up with two equations, the plus version and the minus version. And we can type both of those into our graphics calculator. I'm just going to do that quickly and I'm going to come back to type them both in, and if I press graph we can see that they don't look like a circle. Also they don't join here. This is because the pixels start getting confused when it's trying to draw a circle. So let's try and ignore that if we can, and some are better than others. Also it's not a circle because we're trying to minus 10 to 10 window on a rectangular screen, so we need to go zoom square. That then will draw us this circle, and if we wanted to make it look a bit prettier then we could change it to the same color by changing and I normally end up going the wrong way here, so let's have a look. I think I did, well, there's blue was there we go, there's the blue I want. Told you I went the wrong way, and come down to OK, and if we press graph now. So that's one way of doing it. Another nice way is to use the draw function. Now it doesn't keep it as an actual equation, but you can actually use it as a visual, and that's in here above program. And we just need to remember the syntax for the drawing circle. And the syntax is the x value. So in that example 15, the x value is 4 for the center for the y value, which is -1, and the radius, which is 5. If we press enter now, we'll see that it will draw the perfect circle for us. And I know that it looks like it's the same one as here. So let's just turn that one off for a second. So by turning it off, we press enter on the equals buttons, and we can see there's now no graph there. And let's go back into normal calculator screen. I'll come back up and copy that and press enter again, and there's the perfect circle. So although we can't do anything with that, there's no values with that, we can see here, it actually is drawing it, so it's a nice little visual. So that's two ways, and I hope you found those useful. Thanks for watching.